Alrighty, this is my newest video, and it's here, the Moon Man. It finally arrived, and untested, obviously, so this will be a testing and likely a repair. But you get the point. Ignore any background noise, family stuff. I guess let's get into it with an old knife, of course. I haven't even finished my mixtape I was making for this thing, and here it is. Yeah, these knives are old. This block we've had for a while now. Sorry, shipping numbers. I'm not giving this baby up, even if I can't fix it. What kind of 14-year-old could say that he owns the first Walkman? Oh, bye. Of course, it's all in Japanese, so I can't read any of the labeling on the box. Luckily, though, the unit itself should be in English. Come on, girl, open up the bottle. There we go. You've got to be kidding me. It's in another box. I guess shipping is good. Out of the way. Weighs a decent amount. It's all metal. In case you don't know, it's a whole metal body unit, so it's probably cold as hell, too, from it being winter. This thing is a bulky mess, too, I've heard. Oh, I see the silver. There it is. Oh, baby. That's it. That is the first Walkman. Holy crap, boys. It's smaller than I thought, I'll say that much. What I've heard about these things is I know they're beefy. I can feel the coldness of it, dude. I'm dead serious. This thing is freezing, even under the bubble wrap. Now, it's first Walkman. You gotta be delicate. I feel like a kid on Christmas getting a new Xbox or something. Here I am with the first freaking Walkman. Oh my god, it is freezing. Wow, it is cold. This is it. The very first Walkman that went to the moon. As you can see, it does have a really nasty dent there, and it's missing this trim. But I could fix this for sure. At least I'm pretty dang confident. The leather is dry and stuck like that. Alright, it's so cold. Pop battery set out. Wow, the foam is still here. That is insane. See if this old girl still got it in her. It hasn't been used in 50 years. Good battery compartment. A little bent on that spring. Contacts are okay looking. Alrighty. Oh, jeez, what tape do I use? I was working on a mixtape board, so I'll use that. And I need 3 double A's. It's so odd. You'd think it'd take 4 100. Got 2 double A's out of my Walkman. I guess this could go as number 3. So let's see though. The question, does she work? She might, but probably not. These things are early units. I don't remember if they had the melty belts or not. I don't believe they did. Come on, girl. I feel like a kid at a candy store, man. Come on, girl. Doesn't appear to spin out of tape. Alright, does not appear to work so far, but never give up, man. I could try out record on it and see if it'll try. Alright, nada. Alrighty, it's trying to work, but obviously for its age, not surprised it doesn't. As for pulling apart this thing, it does take a lot of work. I don't know if my batteries are low or not either. I don't know anything about my batteries, so these batteries are old, so I'm going to pause it and get a new set of double A's. Alright, got a new set of double A's. Pop these batteries in, and maybe it could work. Holy crap, it's working! It's not working good. Tape is spinning very slowly. I don't know if it's supposed to spin that slowly, but also it is cold as heck. And you gotta keep in mind it hasn't been used in about 100,000 years. Now I'm having to remember where the heck I put my tape that I just made. Oh, go right there. Maybe it works. Not well. There you go. Trying to come back to life. Let me try an actual tape with some good music on it. Yeah, it don't sound all too lovely. It's only 50 years old. Yeah, some person spinning. Trigger's a little shoddy. There you go. There he goes, coming around. There it goes. There it goes. Holy crap. Well, is it going to be that easy, though? It needs to run up for sure. There we go. That's in fast forward mode right now, so it's gonna sound fast. That's in play mode. It might just need to be used. I'll be making a part 2 on this. I'm gonna run it for a while and it might just free up.